What a beautiful morning it is in Bronte Harbour today. I've got a beautiful listing just steps from here. Have you ever thought about living this close to all the waterfront trails, restaurants, and shops? Let's go check out my new listing at 71 Nelson Street. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Now, if you've got any questions about this incredible townhouse in the best location, just let me know. Now, I'm off to go enjoy a beautiful day in Bronte.